In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off MyPay on Chime. So basically, there's no direct way to do it either online by signing into your account or inside the Chime app, but what you can do is the following. So once you're on their website, chime.com, you want to go to the very bottom over here until you see this option, the resources, where it says Help Center. So just click on that. And I can see over here, it says, how can we help? There's a bunch of different things, and there's MyPay over here. So even if you click on that, as you can see, it's going to be of no help because, of course, there's no option to basically tell you how to turn off or disable your MyPay. But what you can do is go down here where you can see Contact Us, and it says they're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and this over here is their number. So what you can do is call them and politely ask them if there's a possibility of them removing the MyPay feature on your Chime account, and after talking to them and providing you information about your account, they will then gladly turn off your MyPay, and therefore you'll be able to basically not use it anymore for the time being until you decide, of course, you want to get it back and call them again, or maybe forever. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.